anybody trying to lose weight, please be very careful who you are taking advice and information from. Just because somebody looks good, has a six-pack and 1 million followers, does not mean they are qualified to help you specifically. Please look for people who have gone through the same thing as you, who understand your frustrations, who can speak to your soul on the level of pain that you've and struggle that you've been through, and that have been through and made it to the other side. That is how you choose the right person to listen to. Do not listen to anybody else, even though what they say might work for some people. If it does not apply directly to you, if their story does not apply directly to you, please do not waste your time. They're either good people and it works for some people but not you, or they're bad people and just trying to make a quick buck. Either way, do not just stop at the overhyped, over-marketed buzzwords. Go beyond that and listen to the person talking. What is their story? What have they accomplished? And are they similar to you? If the answer is no, please don't do it just because it works for somebody else. You deserve better than that, and I don't want you to do another failed attempt to get demotivated and get closer to giving up. You deserve better than that.